Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and configure OpenCV library in your Visual Studio project. I'm using a static library for OpenCV, and first you need to install the OpenCV library from NuGet package. Let's create a project. I open Visual Studio 2022 and create a new project. Then I create an empty C++ project. The image processing project name, and then we go to the tools, NuGet package manager, manage NuGet packages for solution. Click here and select browse and search for OpenCV5. OpenCV5. Okay, I created two different static libraries for OpenCV. This is OpenCV5 beta version, and because we use Visual Studio 22, I use this one. I select this one and install in my project. Install. Because of the limitation of the NuGet package to 250 megabytes, I only create a release version of the OpenCV for a static library. You need to select release, it's 64. Okay, now everything ready and you can use the OpenCV on your project. I create a very simple project. Just to read the images added to my project, and here are source file. And because I use a static library in order to not using any DLL, and you need to modify your project a little bit to use a static library. Just right click on your project name, in this case image processing, and select properties. Then here in the C++, click on code generation and select runtime library to multi-threaded empty. So you don't need to give any DLL or set the path to your DLL files. Click open, OK, and now you're ready to run your project. Okay, make it a little bit longer to see the image. And here you are, your project ready, set up and configured for using the OpenCV and with the static library and everything ready to run. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks of the OpenCV library, and you always can refer to the website to read more about it. Thank you very much.